Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset VIVO V60 Lite. Okay, we have two methods so we can do it. The first method is simply by using the settings. To do it, open them up, scroll down until you find System Management, and now click on the Reset options. Of course, we are interested in the last function, Erase All Data Factory Reset, but beside that function we can also reset all settings, reset app preferences, or reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. Now we need to click on the last option. Remember that all of your data will be permanently erased. And that's what the reset always do. What I highly recommend to do is to create a backup of your data before the reset. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it exactly on this VIVO. So if you want, you can watch that if you don't know how to do it on your own. And now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on. And the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Now let's go to the second option, and it's the reset using the recovery mode. This method is recommended, for example, when our device is frozen, lagged, basically when we cannot perform the reset through the settings. And now, one important thing, after the reset using the recovery mode option, there's a chance that during the setup process, your device, your VIVO, will want you to log into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually this user of this device. So remember about it. Now, how to perform it? We need to turn off our device, click on power button and volume up button, and click on power off. Now let's wait a few seconds. Just like that. And now we need to use button combination to launch the recovery mode. We need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. So hold both buttons. Just like that. First, the fastboot menu appeared. Now, using the volume keys, select recovery mode and click power button to confirm. Let's wait a little. Okay, and now we need to select clear data and select clear all data. Click on OK. Remember that also everything will be erased. The process will start, so let's wait. Okay, now click on return, go back, and select restart. Click on OK once again, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and then we need to go through the setup process. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.